to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for July 27, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, the sun rises at 5:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 8:14 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, bright Jupiter is in the east-southeast during morning twilight, over halfway up in the sky. The planet is moving eastward against Aries, 12.3 degrees below Hamel, the constellation's brightest star, and 11.5 degrees to the upper left of Menkar, Cetus Nostril. Look for the Pleiades star cluster, nearly 18 degrees to the lower left of the planet. The Jovian giant rises over 5 hours before sunrise, standing well up in the east-southeast during morning twilight. At 2:39 a.m. CDT, the planet's great red spot is at the center of the planet in the southern hemisphere. It is visible through a telescope among Jupiter's cloud stripes. When it is center planet, Jupiter is nearly 25 degrees up in the east in Chicago and higher for sky watchers farther eastward. Jupiter has 4 large satellites, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, that are visible through earthbound telescopes and sometimes through binoculars. Io's shadow can be seen on the cloud tops when the red spot is visible. Saturn, considerably dimmer than Jupiter, but brighter than most of the stars in the sky this morning, is over 30 degrees above the south-southwest horizon. It is retrograding in front of distant Aquarius, 7.2 degrees to the upper right of Skate and 6.1 degrees to the lower right of Lambda Aquarii. For more details, see the charts in the article on the website. The star Fomalhaut, the mouth of the southern fish, is about halfway from Saturn to the southern horizon. In the evening sky, the evening planet brigade is diving into bright evening twilight. Venus is quickly overtaking our planet. Look carefully for it during bright twilight, near the horizon. It sets 40 minutes after the sun this evening. Moving faster on an inside orbital path, the planet is about 30 million miles away tonight. It passes between our world and the sun on August 13th and quickly moves into the morning sky. Mercury is 5.2 degrees to the upper right of Venus and visible through a binocular at 45 minutes after nightfall. Look carefully for Regulus 1.3 degrees to Mercury's upper left. At this level of twilight, it is not likely visible. 15 minutes later, Mars is over 5 degrees above the western horizon. Soon we will say goodbye to the red planet after its 2-year apparition. The bright gibbous moon, 72% illuminated, is over 20 degrees up in the south. Use a binocular to see the lunar orb 2.4 degrees to the lower right of Chuba. The star's name is translated as the Scorpion's crown or forehead. Later tonight, the 28th on the calendar in Australia, the lunar orb occults or eclipses Chuba. Saturn, rising about 4 minutes earlier each evening, appears above the east-southeast horizon, 85 minutes after the sun sets. By 3 hours after nightfall, the ringed wonder is over 15 degrees above the horizon. By tomorrow morning, it is in the south-southwest. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.